You want to draw anything in 3D? Well, it all starts with this, a simple cube. But don't hold, if you can master this, you can draw anything. Buildings to characters, even a cube of butter. Yes, butter. Let's break it down step by step. Now that's butter.
Okay, so here's our cube of butter. All the same principles apply here. That's our front corner right there. Determine where our back corner is. Look at that. Wow, that's way over there. All right, let's get that other dot here. It's going to be something like that, maybe. We'll finish it off with this. And then let's get the other one. Look at this now. I made a mistake here. That's going back to that vanishing point. This is not, you see? It should be going back. These two should be going back to the same vanishing point. Even I have to adjust my stuff. We're going to drop a straight here. And then just like this, this is going back. This is going back, right? Right here. That's going to also fan out. And then we're going to do the other side. This is going to come straight down. This has got to fan out. And there you go. All right. Thank you for watching. Do post your work in our Facebook group. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you later.
And there you have it, a perfect cube of butter and perspective. Now it's your turn. Grab a pencil, try this, post your work in our Facebook group. My name's Kurt, and I'm a dad who draws.